Let me quickly share with you how to link your FBS account to MT4 or MT5. So in my previous video, I discussed about how to register and verify your FBS account. So if you not watched the video, kindly check my channel or follow this link above here and register and verify your account. But if you already have an account, let's get started. Here, as you can see on my screen, I have my FBS app and a Chrome browser here. So you can sign in with the app or you can sign in through a browser, any browser of your choice. So here, I've already signed in my Chrome browser. So just sign in. So here is the account info and the details you need that you will use to log in. So when you click on trade, you will see the option and the details you will use to log in to MT5. But now I have MT5 installed on my phone. So if you don't have, when you click on this Get Mobile app, you'll be taken to Play Store or App Store to download MT5 or MT4. So, but I will suggest you download MT5 or anyone that is best for you before opening this FBS app. So now when I click on this Get app now, I'll be taken straight to my MT5 app. So they have already selected the broker for me, which is FBS Real. I've selected it. I don't know if they use server they don't use server, just this is detail you need. So now for the password, I'll just have to go back. So as you can see on this page now, here is the password that I'll use to log in. I'll just click on copy and then I'll go back to my MT5. Here is it. And then I'll paste the password. Let me paste the password. So I've pasted the password. Then I'll have to click on save login. Click on save and then click on sign in. I have successfully signed in to my FBS account. As you can see, let me click on trade. I see there's no money in it. Now click on quotes. Here I will see the currency pairs that are available in the account. So that is how to link your FBS account to MT5 or MT4. I believe this process will work for everybody, both Android and iPhone. So if you are still finding it difficult to link your FBS account to MT5, kindly drop your questions in the comment section or contact me. I'll be so glad to help you. If you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.